यज्ञभृद् यज्ञकृद् यज्ञी
यज्ञभृद् यज्ञकृद् यज्ञी
यज्ञभुक् यज्ञसाधनः
यज्ञभुग् यज्ञसाधनः
यज्ञान्तकृत् यज्ञगुह्यम्
यज्ञान्तकृत् यज्ञगुह्यम्
अन्नमन्नाद एव च
अन्नमन्नाद एव च.
He instituted the performance of yajna for the benefit of the entire universe. He is the Lord of all the varieties of yajna. When the full oblation or purnahuti is offered, he ensures the completion of that yajna, though there are some deficiencies in its performance. He enables the performer of that yajna to enjoy its fruits. These yajnas, along with gnana or knowledge, are the means to reach him. He satisfies the performers of the yajna by appearing to consume the oblations, though he has no such desire. This truth is a secret known only to those that have full knowledge of the yajnas. He is himself the oblation in the form of food offered by those having aptitude to pray and ability to experience. He alone is the one who does all the things said above. Who else can do it?
यज्ञभृत्
यज्ञभृत्
यज्ञकृत्
यज्ञकृत्
यज्ञी
यज्ञी
यज्ञभुक्
यज्ञभुक्
यज्ञसाधनः
यज्ञसाधनः
यज्ञान्तकृत्
यज्ञान्तकृत्
यज्ञगुह्यम्
यज्ञगुह्यम्
अन्नम्
अन्नम्
अन्नाद
अन्नाद
एव च.
ॐ यज्ञभृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञभृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञिने नमः.
ॐ यज्ञिने नमः.
ॐ यज्ञभुजे नमः.
ॐ यज्ञभुजे नमः.
ॐ यज्ञसाधनाय नमः.
ॐ यज्ञसाधनाय नमः.
ॐ यज्ञान्तकृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञान्तकृते नमः.
ॐ यज्ञगुह्याय नमः.
ॐ यज्ञगुह्याय नमः.
ॐ अन्नाय नमः.
ॐ अन्नाय नमः.
ॐ अन्नादाय नमः.
ॐ अन्नादाय नमः.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.